me while I'm moving to where Bobby was.
What?
Cover me to that tree.
No.
Are you ready?
Boy, is it a shitty day to be doing this.
There's so many people aren't getting there.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. This guy's car.
See you. How do I do it? Yeah. What? In here? Green or tan? He's out. Green or tan?
Ow.
You gonna tell us if they're green or tan?
Okay.
Hey, green or tan? We're green. We are green. Are you green?
Yeah, green.
Okay.
He's a cameraman, don't worry.
Green.
Shoot the cameraman again.
Are you green?
Green.
Green.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Do you guys know what our next mission is?
Yes, we do. Here. Watch out. Hey,
Whoa, stop!
in the town, there are two crates. One of them is right there and one in the second building on this side.
Yeah.
We have to protect those.
Yeah.
That's it. That's our mission, because they're trying to get it.
Hey, push it out. Don't reinforce them. Hey, so the motor pool, right?
No, the building in front of the motor pool are the one. There's two crates. There's one inside the big school, and there's one right in the building right there.
Okay. So should we fall back? Or should we go back there? What? Think we should go by and reinforce the crates?
Yes, the big
Guys,
crates.
let's go